Okay, now for thermodynamics. Start tayo sa mass in weight. Mass, ito yung mga definition niya. Mass, a property of matters that constitute one of the fundamental physical measurement of the amount of matter a body contains. Units of mass are in pounds, slugs, or kilogram. Symbol is M. Okay. Mass is the absolute quantity of matter in it, an unchanging quantity for a particular mass when the speed of mass is small compared to the speed of light. No relativistic effect. So weight now is the force acting on a body in a gravitational field equal to the product of its mass and the gravitational acceleration of the field. Units of weight are in pound force or Newton. Symbol W. Formula W is equal to mg, where g is 9.81 meter per second squared or 32.2 feet per second squared. Weight is the force exerted by a body when its mass is accelerated in a gravitational field. Aros the same meaning. Next, the volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by or contained in a body and is measured by the number of cubes a body contains. Units of volume are in cubic feet, gallons, liters, cubic centimeter, or cubic meter. Symbol is capital V. Next is the specific volume and density. Density, symbol rho, of any substance is its mass, not weight, per unit volume. Units of density are pound mass per cubic foot or kilogram per cubic meter. Symbol is rho. Rho is equal to M over B. Specific volume is the total volume of a substance divided by the total mass of a substance. Units of the specific volume are in cubic feet per pound mass or cubic meter per kilogram. Symbol is let small b. V is equal to V over M, or V is equal to 1 over rho. Specific weight as gamma of any substance is the force of gravity on unit volume. So units of a specific weight are cubic feet per pound force or cubic meter per Newton. Symbol is gamma. Gamma is V over W or V is equal to 1 over rho G. Rho G is equal to gamma. Specific gravity is a measure of the relative density of a substance as compared to the density of water if it is liquid at standard temperature. Symbol is S. Also, specific gravity is a dimensionless parameter defined as the ratio of density or specific weight of a substance to some standard density or specific weight. Like for liquid substance, the specific gravity Sg is rho of liquid divided by rho of H of water at standard, or gamma of liquid divided by gamma of water at standard. For gaseous substance, Sg is equal to rho of gas divided by rho of air at standard, or gamma of gas is equal to gamma of air at standard. Standard temperature and pressure. So sa air, iba dun sa water. Check nyo na lang. Example number 70. An iron block weighs 5 Newton and has a volume of 200 cubic centimeter. What is the density of the block? Solution, rho is equal to weight over Bg. Kasi density is mass. So weight over G is mass. So 5 Newton divided by 200 cubic centimeter times 1 meter over 100 centimeter is cube times 9.81 meter per second squared is 2548.4 kilogram per cubic meter. So the answer is letter C. Example number 18. Suppose two liquids of different densities, rho 1 is equal to 1,500 kilogram per cubic meter, and rho 2 is 500 kilogram per cubic meter, yung mga densities, were poured together inside a 100-liter tank, filling it. If the resulting mixture density is 800 kilogram per cubic meter, find the respective liquid amounts in kilograms. So, algebra, solution. The total volume is M1 over rho 1, so it's volume 1, plus M2 over rho 2 is the volume 2 is equal to M3 over rho 3 is equal to B3. Yan, total volume. Then M1 plus M2 is equal to M3, mas balance. It's equal to rho 3, B3. Okay? So, nadoble lang ito sa kabila. So, that is M1 plus M2 is equal to 800 times 0.1 is equal to 80. So, B3 is 0.1. So, M2 is equal to 80 minus M1. So, M1 over 1.5 plus M2 over 500. So, total mo yung volume is equal to 0.1. So therefore, M1 over 1.5 plus 80 minus M1 over 500 is equal to 0.1. So M2 is equal to 80 minus M1. So solve for M1. M1 plus 3 times 80 minus M1 is equal to 150. So M1 is equal to 45 kilograms. So M2 is equal to 80 minus 45 is 35 kilograms. So the answer is 35 kilograms and 45 kilograms. So letter A. Next are the densities of standard densities. So density of water at approximately 4 degrees C is for 39.5 Fahrenheit pure water has its highest density. So weight or mass is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter or 62.4 pounds per cubic meter. So yan. Sa ganyang density, 1,000, 4C, approximately 4C ang water temperature. That is the standard for density, standard densities. Density of air naman standard is at 70 Fahrenheit or 21.1 C and 14.696 PSIA or 101.325 kilopascal absolute. Dry air has a density, a density of 0.074487 pound mass per cubic meter or 0.075 or 1.2 kilogram per cubic meter. Diba? Magkaiba yung reference niya. Atmospheric pressure, absolute, and gauge pressure. So, or for every 1,000 feet, there is a corresponding decrease of approximately 1 inch mercury. Okay, discuss natin na. So, dyan sa figure, makita mo yung, ito yung absolute zero. So, barometric pressure yung ambient natin, ambient pressure, atmospheric. So, pag above dyan, ang pressure mo, na reading mo, that is pressure above atmospheric pressure. Yan. Ang reading niya is absolute. So, yung difference niya, ang tawag yan is gauge pressure. So, dito naman, negative gauge pressure, pag ang pressure below atmospheric pressure, that is, tawag niya is vacuum. At sea level, that is, ito, 14.696 halimbawa, atmospheric pressure. Pag tumataas ka ng every 1,000 feet, nagbabawas siya ng 1 inch sa pressure of mercury. So, convert siya na lang. Ang standard is atmospheric pressure is equal to 29.92 inch mercury. Sa review to, huwag natin ilagay yung mga value. Sa memorize nyo naman yun. So, a condenser vacuum gauge reads, example 19, 715 millimeter of mercury when the barometer stands 757 millimeter Sg. State the absolute pressure in condenser in kilonewton per square meter. So, solution, absolute pressure is equal to P atmospheric minus vacuum pressure. Vacuum yun. So PA is equal to 757 minus 715 is 42 millimeter of mercury. So convert mo yon sa kilonewton per meter squared. So paano? That is millimeter. So gamitin mo yung gamma QH. Gamma H. Diba? Yung gamma mo dyan is yung and the erasure mo na lang. So erasure mo yung 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 mm mercury is equal to 101.325 kilopascal or kilonewton per meter squared. Diba? Yan ang mga value ng atmospheric pressure. So 42 mm Hg times 101.325 kilonewton per meter squared divided by 760 millimeter Hg is equal to 5.6 kilonewton per meter squared. So letter A. So sample number 20. With a normal barometric pressure at sea level, atmospheric pressure at an elevation of 4,000 feet is nearest to solution 1, a drop of 1 inch mercury per 1,000 feet. So at sea level mo is 29.92. So pressure is 29.92 inch mercury. Wala sinabi ko ng values. That is 29.92. Normal. Minus 1.0 inch mercury per 1,000 foot times 4,000 feet. That is 25.92. Or letter A, 26. Next, the temperature. So temperature is a measure of the molecular activity of a substance. It is a relative measure of how hot or cool a substance is and can be used to predict the direction of heat transfer. It is an intensive property that is a measure of the intensity of the stored molecular energy in a system. May mga bula-bula, boiling. Yun na, so pag malamig, nagbubula din. So temperature scale, degree Fahrenheit scale is 180 units division. So 32 Fahrenheit to 212 Fahrenheit. Celsius scale or centigrade scale has 100 units division from 0 to 100 C. So conversion, degree Fahrenheit is equal to 32 plus 9 over 5 times degree C. Degree C is equal to degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9. Relationship, so degree R is equal to degree Fahrenheit plus 460. Pag ginawa mong absolute, degree Kelvin is equal to C plus 273 Kelvin. C, so Fahrenheit, or 459. This is, ang exact value ng 270 is 270.15. Ang 460 is 459.67. Okay, ang R is degree Rankine. So temperature change, so wag nag-convert ka ng temperature change, wag mo nang gamitin yung 32. Okay, degree C is equal to degree Kelvin. Degree Kelvin, okay lang, walang, mas allowed siyang walang degrees. Saka Rankine, basta absolute. So 5 over 9 times delta F is equal to 5 over 9 times delta R. Degree pa delta F is equal to delta R is equal to 9 over 5 times delta C is equal to 9 over 5 delta T. Yan, ang rule. Yung iba, nag-convert, nagkadagdag pa ng 32. Difference na nga yan eh. Temperature this is temperature drop, temperature rise. Yeah. Next, the energy. Energy is defined as the capacity of a system to perform work or produce heat. Stored energy, otherwise known as process energy, it is the energy that is retrieved and is stored within the system, thus dependent upon the mass flow. Potential energy, dalawang definition natin, is defined as the energy of position, symbol PE. Also, energy due to elevation and position of the system. So the potential energy is equal to mgz over gc. Ito yung general equation niya. Where m is the mass and z is the height above some reference level, feet per meter. G is the gravity acceleration due to gravity, feet per second squared, meter per second squared. Gc is the gravitational constant, that's 32.17 or 2. Pound mass per pound force per second squared, or 1 kilogram per meter per second squared per time. Yes, niya. Pag ang G is equal to GC, so cancel siya. Sa SI units ito. So dapat maging Newton, Newton meter ang ano mo, ang unit mo. Ayusin ko lang tong exponent na yan. Also, potential energy P is also equal to weight times the height. O yung elevation ng weight. Kinetic energy is the kinetic energy of motion, or energy of motion. Or energy is or stored capacity for performing work possessed by a moving body by virtue of its momentum. So kinetic energy is equal to mv squared over 2gc. So m is equal to in pound, mass, and kilogram, velocity, feet per second, meter per second. G is equal to acceleration due to gravity, feet per second squared, and meter per second squared. Again, gc is the gravitational constant. Okay? So sa the Jones constant G is equal to 778 foot-pounds per BTU. Normally, kasi kinetic energy sa potential energy sa English units, nasa ano siya, foot-pounds. So, yung mga enthalpy mo, yung mga energy nasa BTU per pound. So, ito yung mechanical equivalent of heat. I-divide nyo siya sa kuha yung foot-pounds para maging BTU. So, yan. Yung GC, ginagamit yan kasi yung mass mo, meron kang mass in pounds. Kailangan mo, ang pound mass, pag multiply mo sa feet per second, hindi sa mga kaano ng foot-pounds. Kung kaya, yan mo siya ng, divide mo siya ng, kasi ang kinetic energy is the force and velocity. So, imos yung ano, kapag laging pound force siya, so divide mo siya ng 32.17. Pag English units. Kasi ang actual unit sa, ano, sa metric, sa English units nito is slag. Kung slag ginamit mo dito, so noon magiging 1 ito. Okay, sa English units is I, so kilogram, so kaya 1 to kilogram din pa. Internal energy, what is a microscopic forms of energy including those due to the rotation, vibration, translation, and interaction among the molecules of a substance. Another definition, the heat energy This is the heat energy due to the movement of the molecules within the substance brought about its temperature. Next, internal energy is energy stored within a body or substance by virtue of the activity and configuration of its molecules and the vibration of atoms within the molecules. Okay. So, tatlo yung definition na halos pare-paras lang yung pagka-define niya. So, specific internal energy is the substance internal energy per unit mass. Unit is BTU per pound mass or kilojoule per kilogram. Ito yung symbol na U, small or capital. Pag small letter, that is per kilogram or per pound. Okay? Kaya tatlo ang definition ng internal energy kasi siyempre ano lang naman tayo, yung word to word, di ba? Pag sa word exam. PV energy is also called flow energy or flow work. Specific PV energy is the substance PV energy per unit mass. So, specific volume gagamitin mo dito. Hindi yung volume. So, enthalpy is the amount of energy possessed by a thermodynamic system for transfer between itself in its environment. It is equal to H is equal to U plus PV. Okay, enthalpy 2, the sum of internal energy of a body and the product of pressure and specific volume. Ito yung common definition niya. Pamilya kayo dito. The unit is BTU per pound mass or kilojoule per kilogram. Simple is small letter h if this is per unit mass. So specific enthalpy, yan. It's defined as S equal to U plus PV, where U is the specific internal energy, P is equal to pressure, B is the specific volume. Yung small letter, that is specific per kilogram or pound. So example number 21. A high velocity flow of gas at 800 feet per second possesses kinetic energy nearest to the which of the following. So kinetic energy is equal to weight over 2G plus V squared is equal to 1 over 32.2 times 800 squared is equal to 9937.88 feet per pound. So for 1 pound to for 1 pound, kaya makita mo yung weight is 1. Okay, weight over G, 1 pound of mass. So kinetic energy is equal to 997.88 foot-pounds per pound. Divided by 778.16 foot-pounds per pound is 12.77 BTU per pound. Wala. Ito, letter D. Kala ko wala. Okay. 77, 12.8. Next, the heat and work. Yun lang ang formula doon, yung kinetic energy. Saka yung conversion. So, transitory energy, otherwise known as energy in transit or in motion. Energy that loses its identity once it is absorbed or rejected within the system, independent of mass, flow, stream. Mga losses na ito. Ayan. Heat is the transfer of energy that occurs at the molecular level as a result of a temperature difference, symbol Q. Unit is BTU, BTU per hour, kilojoule or kilowatt, kasi capital Q. Heat is also the energy in transition between a system and its surrounding because of a difference in the temperature. Q is positive when the heat is added to the body. Q is negative, minus sign when heat is rejected by the body. Heat transferred per unit mass, Q is equal to Q or capital Q over R. Small letter Q is per unit mass. Next, the work. Work is defined for mechanical system as the action of a force on an object to a distance. Symbol, capital W, units, foot, pounds, and kilojoule. W is equal to FD, where F is the force, pound force Newton, D is the displacement with feet and meter. Work is a process done or by or on a system. Next, the power is the rate of doing work. Unit is horsepower or kilowatt. Power is work per over time. Okay. Bira yung ginagamit na power is BTU per minute. Kasi ano, kaya tayo may tawag na horsepower. Ha? Specific heat. Specific heat at constant pressure, ito yung common, is the change of enthalpy per unit mass between two equilibrium state at the same pressure per degree change of temperature. This is a Magbasa mo dati lagi is enthalpy. Change of enthalpy per unit mass per change of temperature. So capital CP is equal to Q over delta T. CP small letter is Q over M delta T. Okay? CP is equal to Q over delta T. Then, yung small letter C, yan yung specific heat. Specific per unit mass. So specific heat at constant volume is the change of internal energy for a unit mass per degree change of temperature when the empty states are equilibrium states of the same volume. Okay? Same volume. CB is equal to, kasi constant volume siya. Q is equal to, CB is equal to Q over delta T. The specific heat at constant volume CB is equal to Q over MC delta T. CB is equal to Q over delta T. Now, the specific heat ratio is the ratio of CP over CB or delta S over delta U. So, ma-prove nyo na lang yan later. Entropy. Tatlong definition. One is a measure of inability to do work for a given heat transfer. Two is a measure of randomness of the molecules of a substance or measures the fraction of the total energy of a system that is not available for doing work. Three, a property used to measure the state of disorder of a substance, a function of both heat and temperature. Yung tatlong yan lumalabas sa board. Next, conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass states that the mass is indestructible. So, hindi siya mababago. Mass in, mass out. Steady state is that circumstance in which there is no accumulation of mass or energy within the controlled volume, and the properties at any point within the system are independent of time. Okay? Hindi siya tinatawag yung isa, yung transient. Nagbabago after like seconds, nag-iiba yung flow. Bago-bago. So, continue the equation of the steady flow. So, hindi nakalagay dito. Pause muna tayo.